Google Analytics 2020 continues, and today we continue with our series of real-time reports. We've already taken a look at the overview report, the locations report, also traffic sources and content. And today we are going to take a look at the events real-time report. Remember, this is where we show marketing professionals and newcomers how to monitor website traffic and to make better business decisions. The event report is one of the more powerful reports that I use on a daily basis, both for monthly traffic and week-over-week traffic recaps, but also to see what people are doing in real time. Some of the things you can track in events include PDF downloads, emails, phone calls, video views. And what's interesting you'll notice is that a lot of the events that you do track will definitely have a higher percentage of traffic that are being done on a desktop device, which does show you that even if your traffic is maybe even 60-40 mobile, when people are actually getting ready to either purchase or do a PDF download or click an email button, a lot of that is still being done in real time on a desktop computer. So in this example, 15 people are online, and currently there's 3 events going on. A total of 5 active users, and 79% of those events are being done on a desktop. And whereas the traffic might be more like 45 to 55 in favor of desktop traffic, when people are actually ready to, even when they conduct a lot of the transactions, for a lot of websites I track, over 65% of transactions are done on a desktop when they actually purchase something. So again, you can keep track of PDFs. Right now there's a click being done on a link, and then there's also a file download of a PDF this shows. And it shows that 75% of the active users are on the site by desktop. And if you want to actually see the breakdown, again, you can click on that and see right now for the desktop events, there's nothing being done. If you want to see the mobile events, all 3 of these events are being done via a mobile device. And that's where you can see the active users. You can also see the last 30 minutes by clicking this button here. And this shows in the last 30 minutes a total of 211 button clicks, 34 links, and 2 file downloads. And currently, what is being done on your website. So that's just a look at a few of the events that you can take a look at. Don't forget to watch the other videos in this series. We are going to wrap up our real-time reports with a look at conversions when we close out this series, and then we'll start to go into some of the different audiences as we continue along with Google Analytics 2020.